Hello people, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's tutorial we are learning how I achieved this very design on this Zara cap. Okay, so if you like to see how I did that, stay tuned. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead to hit that subscribe button to stay updated once I drop my tutorials. So I have my already made Zara cap and I have this applique that I'll use to style it. So what I simply did was to divide it into two, like use my scissors and cut it into two. Then go ahead to use my glue to position it in any way I want it to be placed on the Zara cap. Okay, that is simply what I did here. And if you still don't know how to make a Zara cap, please take your time, go through my channel, whether with a stretchy fabric or a non-stretchy fabric. If I have my time, I will also leave the links in the description box so that you just go there and learn how to make a Zara cap that fits. All right, so what I'm simply doing here is just to place this applique on the Zara cap, and then we move to how to craft my fan. Okay guys, so we are done with this, then we'll move to the next stage. So I have these two layers of my Asooke already joined together, and the length I used was 30 inches. So at the time after folding the edges, those rough edges, I was left with 28 inches. Okay, so I'm working with length of 28 inches. So what you do right now is to measure 5 inches by the length side. You can see this side, I measured it out, then you fold it in a slant form. Okay, so you watch what I did. I measured 5 inches by the length. You can see where I measured it, and then I folded it in form of a slant. Okay, so this is a kind of the pattern that you use to start forming your plate. So your plate won't be in a straight form, instead is to be in a slant form. Okay, so you go ahead right now to start creating your plate. So if you don't have a mannequin to do this, I actually used a mannequin because I am as well taking videos of this tutorial. You can actually pleat on your bended knees, so you can just sit, place your Asooke on your knees and pleat. Okay, so watch and see how I formed the pleat. And if at any point while pleating you feel that the pleat you can no longer control it, instead of it to scatter, you can simply take your pins and hold it down, then you continue your pleats. And also while pleating this, it will get to a point where you start noticing that the fan shape is already forming. Okay, so you go ahead to watch and see what I did here. Don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. All right, All right, guys, you can see the beautiful fan it formed. Okay, so what I'll simply do right now is to tack all these places that I don't want it to lose. Okay, like this place, I want this fan to stay this shape at the upper and the lower part. So I'm going to be tacking that place that I placed my hand. Okay, so at any point you want to stay in place, you don't want it to loose, you can just use your needle and tack. And when you are done doing this, it will be on how to place it on your Zara cap. So you keep watching and you keep learning. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't just watch and go. Give me a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead to subscribe so that you stay updated once I drop my tutorials. Alright? Alright guys, so this is time to fix it on our Zara cap. And so you first of all place your Zara cap on your mannequin, then go ahead to place the fan, and at every position that you want it to stay, you use your pin to hold it down. Okay, that is simply what I'm doing here. If you want to do this, ensure that you place the Zara cap on this mannequin, especially this type that has a bigger shape, head shape. Okay, so you place your fan and start using your pins to hold it down at every position and anyhow you want it to stay. Okay, once you are done doing it, you will still take your time and tack those places that you hold down with pin. This is simply how I achieved this. So you continue watching and see my finishing. Alright? I know you enjoyed this tutorial. I know you found this helpful. Please don't forget to like and share. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button to stay updated once I drop new tutorials. Alright?